Well, top of the hour, let's get you a fresh pitch that has been made by a Congress leader, a Congress Chief Minister, Revanth Reddy. Now, he has been calling Rahul Gandhi as the Prime Minister of the country. You heard it right. Despite numerous poll defeats that the Congress party has seen under the leadership of Rahul Gandhi, the party which is once again batting for him for the Prime Minister's post. It was Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy who has made the pitch this time. Addressing a gathering ahead of the Jai Hind Yatra Sabha in Hyderabad, Revanth Reddy has questioned the Modi government over the conflict outcome, stating that we don't know who surrendered after 4 days of conflict. Echoing Rahul Gandhi's pitch, Revanth Reddy also sought to rake up Donald Trump's claim of mediation to corner the BJP government at the centre. The Telangana Chief Minister then went ahead to draw a comparison between Prime Minister Modi and Rahul Gandhi. He says that Prime Minister Modi was like an invalidated currency note of 1,000 rupees while making a strong pitch for Rahul Gandhi's leadership. According to Revanth Reddy, Rahul Gandhi should become India's Prime Minister, and that is only him who can actually take back Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. Chief Minister Reddy further stated that it was only Rahul Gandhi who can fight both Pakistan and China on the two fronts at the same time.
Modi kalam challina roopai. Modi raddaipoyina 1000 రూపాయల నోటు లాంటోడు ఈ రోజు రాహుల్ గాంధీ గారి నాయకత్వం ఈ దేశానికి అవసరం ఉన్నది. రాహుల్ గాంధీ లాంటి నాయకుడు ఈ దేశానికి ప్రధానమంత్రి ఉంటే ఇందిరాగాంధీని ఆదర్శంగా తీసుకొని అపరకాలి ఆదర్శ మార్గంలో నడిచి పాకిస్తాన్ రెండు ముక్కలు చేసి పాకిస్తాన్ ఆక్యుపైడ్ కాశ్మీర్ ని హిందుస్థాన్ లో చేర్పించుండేవాడు రాహుల్ గాంధీ లాంటి వాడు ఈ దేశానికి ప్రధానమంత్రి కావాలి. ఇందిరాగాంధీ గారి మనవడైన రాహుల్ గాంధీ ఈ దేశానికి ప్రధానమంత్రి కావాలి. వారు ప్రధానమంత్రి అయితేనే ఒక పక్కన పాకిస్తాన్ ఇంకొక పక్కన చైనాను యుద్ధంలో ఓడించి భారతీయుల ఆత్మ గౌరవాన్ని నిలబెట్టాడు.
Now let's get you exactly where the Congress's position exactly is standing as of now. Losing around 90 elections that were fought under the leadership and vision of Rahul Gandhi. These include debacles when it comes to multiple states, elections in parliamentary elections of 2014, 2019 and 2024 as well. But that is not all. The BJP this time once again has mocked Rahul Gandhi's leadership and called it as unimpressive, highlighting his poor strike rate. Let's in the meantime take a look what the facts and figures state when we speak to multiple states and union territories where the Congress party doesn't even have a single seat despite being the principal opposition party. Let's take a look exactly when we speak of the states there. Now, Congress's poor strike rate in the state of West Bengal, total number of seats 294, Congress having 0. Let's talk about another state, Andhra Pradesh, total seats 175, Congress seats 0. Let's talk about the national capital, scoring a hat-trick of zeros this time. Total numbers of seats is 70, another 0 that came in Congress's way. Nagaland, total number of seats 60, Congress seats, another 0. Then when we speak of Sikkim, total seats 32, Congress seats, another 0. So as far as what is that the Congress party is trying to project as a principal opposition parties, when we add up all of these states and the number of seats that come up to 631, but the 0 still remains for the Congress party.